Get excited for Xiaomi's first flip phone. This beauty packs a punch with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage. It features Leica optics with a Summilux large aperture lens, making your photos pop like never before. Plus, those dual rear cameras are slickly embedded in the outer screen. Wrapped in a stylish metal frame and coming in several cool colors, this phone is as good looking as it is powerful. One of the coolest things is the larger cover display that wraps around the rear camera module. This makes it look super sleek, kinda like the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. And guess what? Even when the phone is closed, that outer screen is fully functional, so you can use it like a regular phone. It's a 4-inch external screen with a resolution of 1240p and 1600 nits brightness rating. The MIX Flip also packs a hefty 4780 mAh battery, so you won't be scrambling for a charger all day. It is almost the same as the battery capacity of the recently launched Honor Magic Fi Flip and surpasses that of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Motorola Razr Plus 2024. Like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, it has a Leica-tuned dual camera system with the bottom lens housing an LED flash. The bottom of the phone has the speaker grille, microphone, USB Type-C port, and SIM tray, while the power and volume buttons are on the right side. You can spot antenna bands all around the phone too. Recently, it showed up on Geekbench with 12 gigs of RAM. The 3C certification revealed 67 watt fast charging. Camera-wise, it's got a 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 32 megapixel front camera, and a 60 megapixel 2x telephoto camera. If you're excited about Xiaomi's latest tech, stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. This will launch alongside the Xiaomi MIX Fold 4 on July 19th. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the latest tech news. Peace out.